Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make fried eggs baked in the oven. If you have a bunch of people you have to feed at one time and you want to make fried eggs, it takes forever in a pan because you have to have room to flip them and everything else. This is an easy way to do it. All you need is a cookie sheet, parchment paper, your eggs, which I already cracked in a bowl, some kind of liquid butter or regular butter, doesn't matter, parchment paper, salt and pepper, whatever you like on your eggs. Turn the oven to 365, let it preheat. Then all I do is put some of the butter on the pan. It's easier with liquid butter because you just go like that, just to give the eggs a little butter flavor. Then you just dump the eggs on right in the middle of the pan and they'll spread out all by themselves. Okay. Then put a little salt on, a little pepper on, depending on how much you like. Then open the oven. Stick them in gently, and depending on how soft you want your yolk, we'll set the timer for 10 minutes to start, and then we'll check. 365 for 10 minutes. There's our happy little balls of sunshine. See how the whites are getting a little bit done? And we're 5 minutes in to cooking. This is the eggs after 10 minutes. See how white the egg whites are? Just about done. The eggs have been in there about 12 minutes. All done. And if you like a little runny in the middle, see, they're still a little runny. If you like your eggs not runny, like that, see? If you don't like it runny like that, just leave them in the oven a little bit longer. But see how you can do 12 all at one time? It's hard to buy a skillet that'll do 12 all at one time and sunny side up. Okay, and that's it for our video today. Fried eggs in the oven, baked at 365 for 12 minutes. And you've got a soft yolk, nicely done, no burn marks. This is all one texture, all done at the same time. Hope you enjoy the video, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.